Hello dear students, in this video we are going to see exercise 7.6 of limits. Here the question number 3 of exercise 7.6. This is based on exponential functions and trigonometric functions. So here first question of exercise 7.6, that is third question. This is limit x tends to 0 a raised to power x minus b raised to power x upon sin c minus sin d formula we use here. Sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d upon 2 into sin c minus d upon 2. So let's solve this. Question number 1. Limit x tends to 0. Here a raised to power x minus b raised to power x upon, here the denominator is 2 cos c plus d upon 2, that is 2 cos 4x plus 2x upon 2 into sin c minus d upon 2. 2 cos c plus d upon 2 into sin c minus d upon 2, that is 4x minus 2x upon 2. This will be limit x tends to 0 a raised to power x minus b raised to power x upon 2 times cos of 4x, that is 6x upon 2, that is 3x, and here it is sin x. So we'll be dividing by x to numerator and denominator. Limit x tends to 0 a raised to power x minus b raised to power x upon x into x upon sin x into 1 upon 2 times cos of 3x. Now here subtract 1 and add 1 in this a raised to power x minus b raised to power x. The x upon sin x, this limit will be 1. Limit x tends to 0 cos of 3x, that will be again 1. So this will be limit x tends to 0 a raised to power x minus 1 plus 1 and minus b raised to power x upon x. This limit is 1 and into 1 upon 2. Now as cos of 3x, this limit will be 1. X tends to 0, cos of x is equal to 0. Cos of 3x is 0. Cos of 3x will be 0 as x is tending to 0. So cos of 3x will be, limit will be 1. So this limit is 1, so it is 1 by 2. X upon sin x, this limit will be 1, and a raised to power x minus b raised to power x, subtract 1 and add 1 over here, so that limit x tends to 0 a raised to power x minus 1 upon x minus, see here minus sign will take common, b raised to power x minus 1 upon x. We separate it taking minus sign common from here into this 1 by 2 is there, 1 by 2. This limit is log of a raised to power x minus 1 upon x, as x tends to 0 it is log a minus log b. So the limit is, here the limit is 1 by 2 log of a upon b. 1 by 2 log of a upon b. Done. Next question is what? Question number 2. 2 raised to power x minus 1 cube upon 3 raised to power x minus 1 sin x and log of 1 plus x. So we are using here formula a raised to power x minus 1 upon x, limit x tends to 0 that is log of a. Another formula we are using, limit x tends to 0, log of 1 plus x upon x, that is equal to also 1. This is what log of a, and this is what 1. And sin x upon x limit is 1. Here it is cube, so we will be dividing by x cube to numerator and denominator. So let's attempt question number 2. Question number 2 is limit x tends to 0. We are dividing by x cube, 2 raised to power x minus 1 whole cube upon x cube. Here x cube upon 3 raised to power x minus 1. See, here we divide by x cube multiplied by x cube, sin x upon into log of 1 plus x into log of 1 plus x. Now look at this. Limit x tends to 0, log of 1 plus x upon x is 1. So x upon log 1 plus x will be also equal to 1. So we will be expressing it as, this is limit x tends to 0, 2 raised to power x minus 1 upon x whole cube into this x upon sin x into x upon sin x upon sin x into this x upon log 1 plus x, log 1 plus x into this 3 raised to power x in denominator, 3 raised to power x minus 1 in denominator, and this x we will take here in the denominator of here, so that this log of 2, this is 1 and this also 1, there it is log of 3. So finally we will be getting answer log of 2 whole cube. Look at this, limit is equal to what? 1. X upon sin x limit is 1, x upon log of 1 plus x limit is 1, and 3 raised to power x minus 1 upon x limit is log 3. So here we will get the answer 1 into again 1 into 1 upon log 3, 1 upon log 3. So our answer will be this, log of 2 cube upon log 3, log of 2 cube upon log 3. This is the answer. Here is the third question. Third question में क्या करना है? 5 raised to power, see 15 raised to power x. Listen here. 15 raised to power x we can write as 5 into 3 raised to power x, मतलब 5 raised to power x into 3 raised to power x. So we'll write it as limit x tends to 0, 5 raised to power x into 3 raised to power x minus 5 raised to power x minus 3 raised to power x plus 1, denominator as this x sin x. 5 raised to power x we will take common from these two terms. So limit x tends to 0, we are taking 5 raised to power x common from these two terms. What is left over here? 3 raised to power x minus 1, यहाँ से हम माइनस साइन कॉमन लेते हैं, 3 raised to power x. So what is left here? 3 raised to power x minus 1, माइनस साइन कॉमन लेते हैं. Denominator is x sin x. Then again 3 raised to power x minus 1 common from here. Limit x tends to 0, taking 3 raised to power x minus 1 common from here. Here 5 raised to power x and minus 1 x square we will write. Here it is x multiplied one more x here, and this sin x is there. So that this x upon sin x limit will be 1, and this is L is equal to limit x tends to 0, 3 raised to power x minus 1 upon x, 5 raised to power x minus 1 upon x, and x upon sin x. So 3 raised to power x minus 1, here is product, therefore we can write it as 1x here and denominator 1x here. 3 raised to power x minus 1 upon x, 5 raised to power x minus 1 upon x, and x upon sin x. So x upon sin x limit is 1, this is log of 3, log 3 into log 5 to 1. So it is answer is log 3 into log 5. We cannot simplify it further, इसको आगे simplify नहीं कर सकते. Log 3 into log 5. Yes, log 3 into log 5 is the answer. Next question, that is question number 4. Question number 4 is 25 raised to power x. तो आप 5 raised to power x whole square लिख सकते हैं. That is 25 raised to power x you can write as 5 square raised to power x. आगे इंटरचेंज करके 5 raised to power x and whole square. So yes, this is what limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0. 25 raised to power x. तो आप लिखेंगे 5 raised to power x whole square minus 2 into 5 raised to power x plus 1 upon x sin x. Here it is a square minus 2a plus 1, that is a minus 1 whole square. Limit x tends to 0. A raised to power x minus 1 whole square. यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे x square. एक ही x है तो यहाँ पे आप x मल्टीप्लाई करो और फिर sin x. So again you are getting x upon sin x, which limit is equal to what? 1. Very simple it is. Limit x tends to 0. ये आएगा 5 raised to power x minus 1 upon x whole square, and this is x upon sin x. Now the limit is what? See here, limit x tends to 0. 5 raised to power x minus 1 upon x whole square into limit x tends to 0, x upon sin x. Now this limit is log 5 whole square, log 5 whole square, and it is 1. So the answer is log 5 whole square. It is log 5 whole square. Next we attend that question number 5. Here 49 raised to power x. So this 49 raised to power x you can write it as, here limit x tends to 0. 49 raised to power x we will write as what? 7 raised to power x whole square. And this 35 raised to power x, इसको हम कैसे एक्सप्रेस करेंगे? 2 into 7 raised to power x into 5 raised to power x, that is 35 raised to power x plus this 25 raised to power x. You can write it as 5 raised to power x whole square, and the denominator is what? Denominator is x sin x log of what? 1 plus 2x. 1 plus 2x. a square minus 2ab plus b square is of the form a square minus 2a into b plus b square. So that is a minus b whole square. So we will write it as limit x tends to 0 a raised to power x मतलब 7 raised to power x minus b raised to power x. The a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. We will divide it by x square. Here we multiply by x square upon sin x into log of log of 1 plus 2x. Yes. Limit x tends to 0. This will write as 7 raised to power x minus 5 raised to power x upon x whole square, and this x square we split into x upon sin x, and here 2x upon log of 1 plus 2x. यहाँ पे x था तो 2 is multiplied over here, so similarly we will divide it by 2 so that this 2 is getting cancelled, only x in x square will write here x into x sin x, and this is log of 1 plus 2x log 1 plus kx upon remember this formula, limit x tends to 0 log 1 plus kx upon kx, लिमिट इज 1, उसका रेसिप्रोकल भी 1 ही होगा, kx upon log of 1 plus kx limit is also 1, so that this limit is 1, this limit is 1, and here this 7 raised to power x minus 5 raised to power x, इसमें से आप numerator will adjust as limit x tends to 0, subtract 1 and add 1 minus 5 raised to power x upon x whole square. We are getting this limit is equal to 1, it is 1, this limit is also equal to 1 and into 1 by 2. Then limit x tends to 0 a raised to power x minus 1 upon x minus b raised to power x minus 1 upon x, the whole square here, and this is 1 by 2. This limit is log 7 and this limit is log 5, so this is finally equal to log of 7 minus log of 5, log of 7 minus log of 5 whole square, and this 2 is there in denominator, 1 by 2 into, or you may write it as 1 by 2 into log of 1 by 2 into log of 7 by 5, 1 by 2 into log of 7 by 5 whole square. Yes. So this is the answer, 1 by 2 into log of 7 by 5 whole square. This limit is equal to 1 by 2 into log of 7 by 5 whole square. So answer is this, 1 upon 2 log of 7 by 5 whole square. So yes students, we have covered all these examples of question number 3 of exercise 7.6. Is based on exponential function and trigonometric function. So thank you very much for watching this video.